Yeah man, welcome back again to my channel guys. This is what I got on this Ackee and Saltfish and sweet potato because a long time in the two.
Right now,
Consume them thing there, see me? So this is, see there?
Ackee and
Everything is
Saltfish and boiled
lunch,
food.
you create
Some
the
pussy
video there.
potato, Irish potato, and some dumpling. Saltfish, and you know we are in Canada, so I think Ackee we are working with, you see me? And I show you want to go on quick and fast, small video, clips, super out. Yeah, it's around quarter pound of saltfish, you see me? Yeah, I probably quarter pound, I'm putting the bottom on. Like a boil. Full pot this up. Saltfish boil now, you know? We have some mixed flour, yes, some cornmeal flour, you know? Cornmeal and flour now, man. You see me? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, how we that? Yeah, about them with the camera now and flour and need so. You see me? Yeah. I mean, man, follow that chin. You see me? Watch this now. Whoops! I put on the camera still. Yeah. I'll put 10 flour, I'll put 8 flour, you know? Yeah. I mean, I want it alone. So, see what I got on saltfish now? Yeah. I'm putting it to them. So, you have sweet potato and Irish potato. I boil them in the same pot. Yeah, do next now. Right now, I do them seasoning right now. If everything ready. You hear that? Alright? Yeah, I'm sure I want to go on. Because I want to come to me Ackee and I wash it off. Wash it off with salt water. Rinse it off first and then wash it again with salt water. You see me? So, yeah. And after do that, because thin away no way, you know? Yeah, see there, look. Now Ackee and saltfish are full of season. 2 tomatoes, 1.5 onion, 1.5 pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, everything. They were full of season because Ackee and saltfish, you see me? Yeah, man. And enough tomato because you want it to be pretty and red. You see me? You never know me a teacher. Big body girl. You know what I'm going to say, you don't know, you don't want to get the copyright, so you have to take out the song. But you cook some food and vibe. You see what I'm going? Ackee and Saltfish and Ray. You see me? I want. No ram putu, none yam putu. Never, we don't do those stuff around here. We only eat food. Food that we cook. See there? Yeah. Can't tell me you want to get this. You want to go on add one toughish and onion, tomato, pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme. Yeah. Bell pepper. I will don't know if I add yet in this goes out. So I want set time. Alright. So you can call you know what it's easier now. Like that. Listen, all on Ackee and Saltfish and anything in that mix and it not taste good, you want to go and throw it in the scale. See the season we are frying this one? Stop. Fry it up quick. And I forget time. And with our seasoning, flavor of seasoning in it, you know. So the more you fry it out, the more the flavor surround the pot and stay in the pot. The flavor will stay in it. If you fry it for 1 10 seconds or 20 seconds and say it done, I just taste raw onion and raw tomato, everything I taste raw. The garlic now get a flavor, you have to cook out in the oil. I said I got flavor, your Ackee and Saltfish, you know. You see me? So yeah. Yeah man, I see how it look? I see how your Ackee and Saltfish look. Pretty and red and colorful. Like a, you know? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There's a class of video scene. You see?
Kan jag gå ut av sen då? Jag går ut på den saltfish i pat. Står det långt så. Jag klipper. Taruh kan air. Nak ada Ackee free. Mana mari na. Beauty. Yeah. Yeah, so next thing. Because you put the oil in the pot. But now when I cut the oil, I'm going to put the water in it. Look at it, look. You put the water, change the oil. Then I put oil in it and take it out. See it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm here, you know. Until after you put it on, see so. After the pot. After clean everything already. Yeah. Store that, see so. Now we that. Now I'm going to do. How you see me? I say now. I will do it. After this. Yeah. Never do. I'm going to start tonight. Yeah. I lost half fish. You're going to start tonight. Look. Look like to find. Go and find this in cost me now. Karena this is good for man, but look at the other night. I see the people is done. Story. Done. Just like that done. No, I find look. Done. Cakes. Time for the cakes. Time to start sharing the food now. So far black, I'm show you on the screen.
Yeah, again now. See cakes, yeah? And potato, sweet potato, we put it in. Actually, I quick like money. Yeah. Okay, for days, man, I answer, man. Full of flavor, like, flavor shop. I'll get that part there. Alright, tell you some beef and pan the camera, I say. Even though hot. I put it so soft. Alright. Now the Ackee. Not bad. Pepper. Bad though. Eggs, flour, vodka. One more. Too tough. You are going. Look come on. Try to talk on for. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Ackee and Saltfish. Bye.